Guys, most home security cameras mean one or two things. You either drill something outside or you put a camera indoors and hope that it can see through the window without turning the footage into a reflective mess. Well, today guys, we're taking a look at the BOTSLAB WindowCam W101, which is a stick-on window camera with two lenses, one looking outside and one looking inside. So if you want a home security camera for a window in a rental property, on a driveway, for pets, deliveries, or just somewhere you don't want to start drilling holes, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the BOTSLAB WindowCam W101, and the idea is pretty simple. Instead of mounting a security camera outside, this sticks to the inside of your window and looks out through the glass. But the interesting bit is it has two cameras built in. The rear facing camera monitors outside, so that could be your driveway, garden, front path, wherever the window is pointing. And then there's a front facing camera on the inside, which can be used for a live view and two-way talk. So you can check in on pets, kids, or just see what's happening indoors. Now guys, before we get into it, BOTSLAB did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or different. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, we've got the window cam itself, and straight away, it does look a bit different. It's got this little cap design, so it's clearly not trying to look like a serious industrial CCTV camera. Whether you like that, it will probably depend on where you're putting it, but it does make it feel a bit more home friendly. You also get the USB cable, the UK plug, cable clips, and the mounting tape. Now, installation is one of those big selling points here because there's no drilling, there's no screws, there's no messing around outside on a ladder. All you got to do is clean the glass, attach the mount, line it up properly and stick it to the window. And that makes a lot of sense if you're maybe renting or if you just don't want to start drilling holes through walls. Now guys, the main thing with a window camera is obviously the image through the glass. BOTSLAB has built this with an anti-glare and anti-reflection design, and the black mounting area helps block out any stray light from the room. And that's important because anyone who's ever tried pointing a camera through a window at night will know the problem, right? You end up recording your own room lights, your face, or the lamp behind you, or whatever, right? Instead of what's happening outside. With this, the camera sits directly against the glass, so you should get a cleaner view rather than just putting a normal indoor camera on a windowsill. Now guys, the outside camera is 4 megapixels and it supports full color night vision. But there is an important point here. This is color night vision using available light. So street lights, moonlight, or nearby lighting will help. The second lens, guys, is the indoor one, and this is more limited by design. It supports live view and two-way talk, but it doesn't record like the outside camera. And to be fair, I actually like that from a privacy point of view. You're not accidentally creating 24/7 indoor recordings with your camera in your living room. And if you don't want to use the indoor camera, you can cover it with a little privacy lid. Storage, guys, is another good point. You can record locally to a microSD card up to 256 gigabytes, although the card isn't included. Also, you can use 24/7 continuous recording, or you can set it to event recording, so it only saves clips when there's something happening. And that's probably the way that I'd use it, because otherwise you're just filling up a card with hours of nothing. Also guys, cloud storage is optional, so you're not forced into a monthly subscription just to use the camera. There are some AI detection features and app alerts as well, where it can identify activity and send more detailed notifications. BOTSLAB say new users get a 30-day AI trial, so just be aware that some of the more smarter detection features may depend on what's included after that trial period. And power-wise, guys, this is plug-in rather than battery powered. Some people will see that as a downside because you need a socket nearby, but personally I prefer it for this sort of products. With battery cameras, you're always thinking about charging. With this, well, you know what, once it's set up, it can just sit there and record properly. The cable is around 10 feet long, and you also get some cable clips so you can help keep it all tidy. And if you don't have a power socket near you, well, you know what, you could always use a power bank to get that much needed juice. It also supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is good to see. A lot of security cameras still stick to 2.4 gigahertz only, so having both should help set up and remote access a bit easier depending on your router and where the camera is installed. The biggest thing to remember is that this is still a window mounted camera, so you know what, placement is important. So guys, there you have it, the BOTSLAB WindowCam W101. I like the thinking behind this. It's not trying to replace every outdoor security camera, and it probably isn't the answer if you need something weatherproof mounted high up outside covering a huge area. But you know what, for a window-based setup, especially if you don't want to drill or you're in a rental or, you know, whatever, it does make a lot of sense rather than have to get up ladders and drill things into the walls. The dual lens design is also useful. The local recording is a big plus, and I like that the fact that cloud storage isn't forced on you. And if your use case is checking the driveway, watching for deliveries, keeping an eye on the garden, or seeing what's going on outside without fitting a camera outdoors, this could be a really handy little option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this up for only £49.99. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. Guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to BOTSLAB for sending me this cool window cam to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.